It's time.
You know what I can
time.
play? You know what I can play on my stream? It's that Kendrick Lamar song.
Hmm?
Ooh, making that chicken go crazy.
Damn it, Johnny. Go in the garden. Oh shit, it's not you. This is fucking you, damn. Go in the garden shed whenever you come down there and latch the door so I can barge it.
Why? But why?
You need to hurry up and come on here.
I'm still in the house. I have to secure and poison some stuff.
Play ring around the rosy with the tree. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go have some fun.
It's not like crazy.
Ooh. They fighting.
Who fighting? Who fighting?
Okay, Anna and Cook. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, baby. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. That's what I'm talking about, John.
Oh, hello, motherfucker. I didn't see you. I didn't see you.
Coming up.
Sonny running for his life.
I was actually fond of that girl. I didn't really want to hurt her. But, as they say...
Julie got 700.
Damn, I should have fucked him up.
I wonder what she opened.
Oh, Julie in the garage. She in the garage.
Alright. You caught her?
No.
I can show you.
This will help them see more clearly.
Yeah, she outside. Oh.
This is pointless, you know. Quit
Hey,
stalling.
Johnny.
I see you, sweetie.
Pulled it down here. Shit.
What? What? Oh, you got guts. You got guts. Huh?
Danny's,
you got fucking guts. Don't ever disrespect me. You got guts.
He's doing the thing to the garage.
Yeah. You
You know what?
after that hit.
They do it by the few.
Come here, big dog. Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going at? Where you going at?
Oh my god. Hey, Booba, how you doing, honey?
I understand. You was trying to get somewhere.
You got it? Oh,
you
damn. They all got it at the same time. Damn, they said, kill me now. Anyway,
oh, yeah.
I think they come in the garage first. Did they get the generator? Oh, no, he didn't.
Oh, she really sat by the door all that time.
Wow.
That's crazy.
I'm glitched in the door. That's crazy.
Boy, we got the little ratoonies in this motherfucker, huh? Bro, what is this? What is this right now?
What are you doing?
Bro, this game have the craziest animations.
Yeah, dude. Where you at?
Go running off with those back house hippies again? Can you? Yeah.
Oh,
They trying to get to this house, man.
I seen her over there. They going up in the house, Connie and Julie.
How? Ooh, we're going straight to it.
Connie upstairs
Upstairs where? In the house?
in the house. Yeah,
How the fuck?
they went up the ladder.
It was locked when I checked. How the fuck did you do that? Oh, the outside ladder? Okay.
She in the front yard at the gate.
God damn.
Let's see where you scurried off
And the
to.
bitch ass stopped me.
Oh, you leaving so soon?
Julie down here.
I see her.
Where she go?
I'm gonna see your insides before this night's through.
I'm going upstairs. Oh, I see somebody.
Die right quick. Trust me.
Fuck you think this is? Fuck you think this is? What you really think this is? Get your ass out the game. What is wrong with you? I do this. Bye bye. Bye bye.
You should have known.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do I come to the house? I don't need to.
Nah. You don't got to. I ain't heard to that.
They got the pressure valve. Oh, he did that.
Check that battery.
Somebody
Check
just
battery.
slid a door. Oh, that's you.
That was me. Yeah. Check that battery side.
I didn't get the feed grandpa yet. Somebody fighting over there.
Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm keeping you.
Who you see? Nobody.
I think they got poisoned.
Oh, Grandpa.
We'll have to feed
I'm
him.
sorry I left you all those years.
Owen.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Whoa.
In the shed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know where she went. Did she go up?
Nah, she went down.
Okay. You motherfucker.
Of your fears.
Somebody gotta get over there.
Going as fast as I can.
You're all gurgle and no guts.
Check the grass before you do it.
We're tougher than that. Come on back now. Got
Bam,
something
he right
to
here.
show you.
Damn. Damn.
Boy, he hit me too. That's crazy.
Damn. He got us good, boy. He got us good.
He ain't do
boy.
shit. He ain't do shit.
He stunned me. I'm too stunned. I'm too stunned. Not they stabbed my grandpa. And the bitch ass, she gonna die. She gonna die. They going back in the house.
Stupid boy, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
They in the house. They in the
Crazy.
house. Oh, it's over there.
Where's she at?
She in the house. running. You running.
Let me know if she will.
Same shit.
Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm
Where
keeping
you going, baby?
You done fucked up.
Where you going, baby?
Boy, she is dying though.
She is so
That is a
dead.
bleed out.
She's
Oh
so
my God,
dead.
she didn't bleed out. That's how strong her ability is, man.
Right. She's strong too.
I hit her like 7 times. Like, ooh, she's still walking.
I'm gonna find you.
Damn, they fucked my
I
girl
will.
up real bad.
Promise.
Real bad.
Time to play.
Why you leave this door wide open?
Don't worry. I'll find you.
I don't know. How is it? I ran out. What the hell? You
You
getting
gotta
fucked
be.
up down there?
But she in the damn floor. The motherfucker is in the floor.
What do you mean in the floor?
Don't bleed out on me yet.
Need some poison.
Oh, you gonna die. You gonna die. I promise you, you gonna die. She going up the back stairs by battery. I see your ass. I'm gonna kill you. Oh yeah. Come downstairs, Nisi. But come from the battery stairs.
I was right there.
Hold on, wait. You don't even gotta do that. If she walk around, I'm on her ass.
Just
Listen now.
Come,
Everybody's tired.
come, go through that. Is that cross space open?
This is pointless, you know. Quit stalling.
I'm poison.
This little motherfucker here. She have another one too,
Keep
so
fucking
she probably
me
gonna
up,
fight
man.
you.
Most likely.
You're all gurgle and no guts. I thought you were tougher than that.
What's she at?
I lost her.
Lost her.
Bad man's in
I
me.
lost her.
And you're gonna meet him real soon.
Oh, there she go.
She probably gonna go up the ladder.
Yeah. For sure. Oh, there she go. She right around.
Did she go up the ladder or nah?
She at the garden storage.
Alright.
I'm gonna see your insides before this night's through.
Fight.
She going through the house.
Give me that. Give me that.
She did. Oh, she did.
Dead like Chuck.
Did like Chuck.
Hell yeah.
It's time.
You Johnny, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Somebody under the stairs there. I think the fuse, yeah, the fuse in the giant shaft.
Can't run from me. What's wrong with you? There's another one down here too, huh?
Oh yeah.
Gonna be leaking after that hit. Now, where did you go?
Where's Julie? How the f she got some points.
Oh, it's Sunny. Hi, baby. How you doing, baby? God damn.
Come on, dog. That should have hit this man, bro.
Right, me too. Stated. He hit the fuck out of you, man. Where'd he go?
In the back. Back to me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What you doing? Why you on the ground now? Huh? Get up. You can't. Now give me your neck.
Oh my
You're
gosh.
done. You're done.
Someone might be hiding at the stairs.
That's all you. Go handle that. Handle it. Handle it. Handle it.
How the fuck they get up there?
What
Oh.
the fuck?
Oh, here she go. She ain't hiding no more.
Aha! Ooh.
She going into the thing.
I'll
She
make it
fell.
out, bro.
Oh wait, damn, I gotta feed Grandpa.
Make sure y'all go check battery after that.
I'm in the house. I ain't gonna be able to do it. And he up in here too. Damn, he cut the door down. Boy, oh boy, it was locked already. Damn, she opened this door right here. I don't know what door that is, but they barred something down there.
That's me. That
Oh,
was Julie.
See your insides before this night's through.
Somebody out here.
big generator, generator.
Don't fight it. Just give in, sweetie.
He jumping over. He ran me over. Sliding back to the wall. Going in garden shed.
Leland?
Yep.
Aye, I'm feeding Grandpa right now.
I'm on his ass. You thought you was running, bro? You thought you was gonna run from me?
Julie
That's
probably
crazy.
upstairs.
Nah, nobody sleeps when I'm on Johnny. Where the fuck is Julie? Where she's at? Where is she at? Check that house. I wanna check that battery.
You're all gurgle and no guts. I thought you were tougher than that. Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm keeping you. You wanna know how your friend died? I can show
Found your ass. I knew it. I knew it. I knew by the time I would circle back around, she'll be on the gate. I knew it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Oh yeah, you're done. I know you're done. If you're not,
If you're
you're
not,
about to be done.
you're not.
That's what I'm saying. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, you better get out fast. You better. Huh? Yup. And you're done again. And you're done again. You're done again. Come on. Can't play with me, man. I'm Farmer Johnny. Come on. This is my lands.
It's my lady.
What's going on? Wrong with him.
That's what I get for taking it easy on them.
I already know, honey, but like, how do we catch up? How do we catch up? Like, when does it end and begin?
Yeah, I need them traps set.
You think he gonna? I'm gonna poison this dude. The generator is by the barn.
I'm so glad they're not rushing. Lord have mercy.
I want to see that Amy Winehouse movie. I think I'm gonna go this weekend. No, not this weekend. I'm seeing something else this week. Maybe Tuesday on half off day. How you don't want to see Hamilton? I thought you loved
Sissy,
music
what the
movies and
hell are you
stuff.
waiting on? Get to it!
Hamilton, the new one? The new one is good. I ain't gonna hold you. I don't even like musicals, but I like the new one. I thought that was there. Oh. I see. Coming down here.
Next to the stairs.
Connie fighting because
On a light brown little pallet. And upstairs
How's she fighting
on the
like
back
that?
stairs up top.
You see her highlighted? You see her?
She gonna jump out the window. I'm about to kill her though. Lock the door. I'm gonna kill her. I'm gonna kill her. Lock the door. Just lock the door. Just lock the door.
You ain't been here all day. I just realized you ain't been at the house all day.
You ain't going nowhere, sweetheart. Thank you, man.
Where you going, sweetheart?
Got big swings. What's wrong with you? Alright, D, I'm about to come back inside. You come back out and reset your trap. Or you already out, good shit.
I love you, Grandpa. There's somebody by the side gate. Yep. Sonny out here in the front. He went through the side door.
Trash.
This is pointless, you know. Quit stalling.
Bam! I didn't mean to poison him. He's so fucked up, y'all.
Crazy, bro.
He's so fucked up, y'all. Oh, got him. Got him. I just hate that I killed the black man, though. I wanted him to live, but he was fucking with me. This was a little bit too easy here. Go with
I know.
that.
I'm letting them bleed out. I'm letting them bleed out. My D boy, that trap working, boy.
There you go. Damn, why you slammed that door on me, boy?
Time to play.
I think Connie is in the front yard somewhere.
Why did she say that? Oh, she did. Where was she at?
She
But
just
she
left.
leave.
She said, fuck that.
She just left.
Yep.